In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make some text bigger in CapCut Desktop. If you've ever wanted one word to jump off the screen while the rest of your sentence stays neat and consistent, this quick technique will give you clean, professional emphasis without creating separate layers or complicated workarounds. Start by heading to the top left corner of CapCut and opening the Text tab. From there, drag a default text block down onto your timeline. Dropping it onto a video track creates a single text layer you can control from one place. If you need a longer on-screen time, just stretch the ends of that text clip on the timeline later. Next, look to the top right Properties panel. This is your control center for text. Click in the typing box and enter your full sentence exactly as you want it to appear. Keep everything in one block so the layout stays cohesive. Now, to make just one part stand out, take your mouse and click and drag to highlight only the specific word you want to emphasize. You can also double-click a word to select it quickly, which helps keep your selection clean. With that word highlighted, glance directly below the typing box for the font size slider. Gently drag the slider to the right. You'll see the highlighted word grow larger in the preview, while the rest of your sentence remains unchanged. That's the key. Only the selected text scales up, giving you instant hierarchy without affecting the surrounding words. Adjust until the emphasis feels strong, but still readable. If you go too far, just slide back to fine-tune. Sometimes making a word much bigger can cause your lines to crowd or bump into each other. If that happens, scroll a bit further down in the same panel to find the spacing settings. Nudge the line slider to open up the vertical space between lines. A small adjustment usually does the trick, keeping your jumbo word bold and clear while the rest of the text breathes comfortably. Watch the preview as you adjust so your spacing looks natural. And that's it. You've created eye-catching emphasis inside a single text block, keeping your design tidy and easy to manage. To recap, drop in a default text block, type your full sentence, highlight the target word, increase its size with the font size slider, and if needed, refine the layout with the line spacing slider. Your custom text hierarchy is complete. You're all set. Done.